I want to show you how to factory reset your Huawei Nexus 6P. I understand it works for other Huawei phones and some Android phones. I want to show you how to factory reset it or reboot so that it comes up on if you've been having problems having it switched on. First of all, you have to switch off the phone. After switching off, hold on to the power button and the volume down button at the same time. The power and the volume down buttons at the same time for a few seconds. After a few seconds, you should now see the Android sign. Press one of the volume buttons until you see the recovery mode on the screen. Click on the power button to select this and wait a few seconds until the Android sign appears with the comment, no command. When you see the comment, no command, now press the power button only. Press the power button only and click on the volume up button. The volume up button, just quick click. Scroll down or up with one of the volume buttons and choose the one that says that you could factory reset and press the power button to choose factory reset. This will wipe your data and bring back your phone to the factory reset, the way you bought it. It will now ask you if you want to go ahead. There is a no and a yes. Scroll down to yes and click the power button to go ahead, to go on. Then you will see it going on at the top, bottom left, wiping data, formatting, and then eventually we'll come up with data wipe complete. When it comes up with data wipe complete, look at the top left hand side and it will ask you if you want to reboot the system now. Choose that, it is the default, reboot the system now, click on the power button and your phone will start rebooting to the fresh state, factory reset. This will take a little bit of time and then you're good to go. Your phone is as fresh as just how you bought it. Your phone is back and then you can see the Google. Now your phone will start rebooting after pressing the reboot system now. This might take a little while, but your phone is now fresh and it's in factory reset, fresh. Please, 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 if you enjoy this, please subscribe. Now you see the hello and start. You are good to go. Please subscribe and share it. Thank you. Have a nice day.